there, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I've been very inconsistent and I haven't really kept up to the promise of consistency, but I've just been a busy bee. I apologize, but today we have an exciting video. Me and my guy friends are going to be cooking marathon chicken. So I'm basically going to be showing them step by step how to prepare the marathon chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and just let me know where you think there's room for improvement or just what video you'd like me to do next. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's get into this video. Enjoy. Yes guys, this is what happens. You put the chicken on the fire before you even start cooking it. Get rid of the feathers. Like this, just so that the sauce can go in the chicken. And then here also, just so that the sauce can marinate nice in the chicken, okay? Okay, now, okay, wait. Yeah. Put water in the pot first.
Okay, give me something to put water in.
Cup, take the glass even there. Take the pot itself. And just open. Okay. Don't put too much water.
Stir fry.
Please, man.
Spoon it. Sauce magna.
Knock.
Dan moet het vast worden.
Yeah, put it. Okay. That's enough. Take spice. Yo, chili is veel gemaakt met chili. Spice, a lot. And a lot. Okay. What else? Yeah. Put it in.
Some curry.
Okay, take another one.
Another one.
Yes. Put like 3 of them.
Are you using this oil?
It's fine. You can use it. Okay, put it. And another one.
The last one, eh?
Yes, because we're going to put 3 more chickens on top.
Today we are cooking a lot of chickens.
6 chickens.
Wounded.
Hey, maak vannacht jy woendend. Mensen wat die kan dansen of aan dans. Sien jy dit hier?
Dat de leuk dansen.
Okay, nou moet jy wacht, laat ons die ander 3 maak. Nee, moenie die ding word nie gepiroa nie. Oh, the fire is burning, Abra.
Just have to make sure it's stable. When you
But I don't really stir it. Just make sure it doesn't fall.
I don't fall.
You know what? Put this wood thingy here. This one.
This
No, listen.
So it blocks the side.
Hey, listen. Take the wood, put it on top of the pot so everything steams in. Make sure the lid of the pot is now on. And okay, it's fine. As we wait. You're very serious.
Yeah, now you must steam my rice.
It's practical.
Switch there.
Yes, but this is what's happening. It's almost
I
cooked.
just did this. Chinese one was by like any African bro. And like any
Still try. Hello, where you are outside. I'm coming.
He's so busy.
Hey, how are you? Can I come sleep over? It's the food at your house.
Are you outside?
Take me to steakhouse. Come pay taxi.
Yes,
How do you want it? Like
um,
this?
kapana toch?
Kapana?
Thais.
Yeah?
Yes.
So kapana. Who take much look at kapana?
Just blocks or whatever thais.
No, who take?
I toch dat maak is ek net dit. understand. Now people who don't speak Afrikaans are going to watch this video and not understand anything.
Unfortunately, they just will make peace with it.
Here we go.
You speak like a Cape colored.
On the couch.
King colored.
Cape colored. Like, come on.
Just like how it is, you know.
Basically, I only use the tomatoes, the onions, red, and then I add garlic to make the sauce, nothing
What
more
about
because
the green pepper?
yeah, also they
You said
add
that.
this.
You must say
Okay.
green pepper.
This also
Ah.
because I want to
Yeah.
make sure that the sauce
Saka you
is
late.
I been man
Oh, sorry.
to make sure that the sauce tastes as original as possible, like so you can get the marathon chicken taste unfiltered. Chef Ben.
Yes.
This is basically sauce from the pot where the chickens were. That is garlic, and this is, yeah, it is what you see. The tomatoes, onions, and green peppers. So we're just gonna mix that to make the sauce, nothing more. Like I said, it's to keep the chicken flavor original and not to filter it. Yeah, and it's basically putting the sauce. Don't put all of it. Just pour it with a thing,
No,
with a
just
bucket. Yeah, so there's not too much.
So the chicken flavor comes out.
Long.
More?
Yes. Okay. Okay. It's a bit watery, but it gets thicker as the sauce cooks. I'm talking about you guys, so excuse me for speaking that good English. Okay. Chef Ben on the stove, and then the same on the decks. And then, okay, let me switch the stove on. Switch it on there. Okay. Is it on there? Okay. And then take a bit of garlic. But the thing already has a hole. The sachet already has a hole.
How is it? Oh, okay.
Just pour it, not too much. A bit more. There has to be a lot of sauce. Okay. Look at you, all fancy. But I think you still need to add a bit of more sauce.
It's not fancy.
It's nothing fancy. Maybe even just okay. That is it for now. Then you just close the pot so it simmers and starts to thicken, cook and thicken. So I told you guys the soup will eventually get thicker, and it is. Yes, it's thicker now and it smells heavenly. I'll show you the final product. Sauce is cooking. We have the mahango flour here, and then we have top score maize meal. There's just a cup for pouring, and then that's the water. That's basically what I use to make pap. So what I'm gonna do is put top score in the pot, and then it's gonna cook, and we'll take it from there with the mahango. The boys will cook the pap. I'm just starting the process because they have no idea what they're doing. On the decks for the pops. On the decks or on the stove, I don't know. Hey, Kela.
Energy. You bring that energy. You said it's by energy.
Cricketer, hamstrings.
Kalbord nog.
Kijk toch, hoe wordt die pap gemaakt toch?
Hoe wordt die?
Hey.
Zullen we in? Dan nog. Make him very nice, man. Iba bigis mungkin kom bantu not.
Pap with bantu nuts. Hey, okay, let's see. Is she class one?
Aye,
No.
pa.
Je moet eens beginnen,
Pa.
berat.
Hij moet. Sige. Hij moet. Sige. Sige.
Hey, ik ken er niet.
Kewela.
Alam yo.
Isa perang.
Ja.
Kom ik met me?
Ja.
This one, finally we are done cooking. So we can actually tell you what we cooked today. So I did the chicken. So it's a whole marathon chicken. We call it bamboo chicken. So basically all we used is onions, tomatoes, green pepper, and garlic. That's all. The sauce came from the chicken when you cooked it first. When you started cooking, just with curry powder and kapana spice and cooking oil. So this is the product, the end product. As you can see, looks nice and spicy. Don't know how it will taste, but it will be great. Ori will tell you what he did with his stuff.
Yes, man. Yeah, as you can see, we're done cooking. I prepared the porridge. Mainly consists of top score, the maize meal, and mango. Yeah, that's all.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just remember to like, subscribe, comment, and do the most. Thank you so much. Until next time, adios.